Please forgive me. Good morning. It's time to pour our homemade cleaner in their bottles. Now, I'm sorry, but I already poured one because I've been using it. I've been cheating on you. I still love you though. Okay. I've been using the disinfectant one. I love it. I have another bottle for the vinegar cleaner. Where is it at? It is hiding. Okay. This is the vinegar cleaner we made with lemon verbena and lemons and vinegar. That's all we put in here. We need a funnel. Today I am going to clean the bathroom. Let's see how these homemade concoctions work. And the bathroom really needs a good cleaning, so I figured, oh, that's not the right one. I figured I will try and get on that. That's not too big. You know, you get a whole set of funnels. I don't know, tell me that. Oh, you get a whole set of funnels at the $1.25 tree. I got these at a dollar though, back when it was a Dollar Tree. But yeah, you can get a whole set, like 4 or 5 for $1.25 now, I guess. Still smells like vinegar. But I told you in one of my last videos that I did use the vinegar too to clean out our utility closet. And it cleaned really good. It just had that vinegar scent at first, but it dissipated, you know. It didn't last. So that's a good thing. How far up? Oh, it's pretty high. And since then, anytime I use lemons or anything, I just start a new jar. I hope my camera don't pick up that music. I've been listening to Jagged Edge and Silk all morning. It's like a mashup. Well, not a mashup, but it's like back in the day they used to do those mixtapes with this artist or group versus this group. So every other song is, Jagged Edge or Silk, back and forth. It's a vibe. Cleaner. Still got these stupid stickers. It's I got a cleaning bucket with our essentials in there. Oh, what my headphones? Okay, so here's the bathroom. It's not terrible, okay? But it need a little, it definitely need a little cleaning going on, right? And I even left the ring in the tub for you. So don't be trying to judge me. Don't act like you ain't never had a ring in your tub before. But I want to see how the vinegar gets it out. Can you see the ring a little bit? Yeah. All right. So listen, don't you get on this good internet talking about she got a ring in her tub. Everybody's had a ring in their tub once upon a time, at some point, if they took a bath, okay? And then we got the shower. That shower door definitely could use some cleaning, okay? Floor looking grimy, crusty. Look at that trash. Trash just overflowing. It's always overflowing. So, yeah, let's get started. But before I can do anything, I gotta have music, right? Got to have music. First of all, turn your headphones on. How about that? All right, I like the way you just connected. You don't even have to, I think. Yeah. Can you hear that? Hey! Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of Castile salt because although it's cleaning, it's not giving me what I want. I need a little sud buds, you know? One day you'll see. Hey, he can't really love you like I love you. This is just the, I think, peppermint by Dr. Bronner's. Want me be the man?
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mud. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mud. I'm a dog, I'm a mud. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see guys' pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can bring my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mud. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mud. I'm a dog, I'm a mud. No crib talk come through, it's time to break it in.
We ain't getting no younger, so we might as well do it.
Too loud up inside, cause the niggas try breaking in.
Let's get married.
You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights, one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop the trim to recreate the feeling.
Whoa, whoa,
But it's better than the same as the
whoa.
first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. I'm a dog, I'm a man.
It's the type of shit that you've been waiting on you for. I'm making time for a minute. You with it? Got a lot of time, I just need some way to spend it. I just press the button in the top, go missing. I got the slip, so you know it's not winning now. What you wanna do? Worry about your friends, that's all you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in five, I be five, I be five, I be put it in five, I be five, I be five, I be put it in five. Out here in the field, oh yeah, I'm already, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, I want up for sure. You said take a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the grandpa, said you never been before. Put you in provocateur, girl, I made you me a more. You said you left your ex, that dude was always gas. You said before me, you ain't never I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way. Put it in drive, I be drive, I be drive, I be put it in drive, I be drive, I be drive, I be put it in drive, I be drive, I be drive, I be put it in drive, I be drive, I be drive, I be put it in drive, I be.
Okay, here's my verdict. I do like it. I am super shocked that the vinegar cleaner descaled or got the scum off of my shower door. That is one thing in the bathroom that I struggle with, like trying to get all the scum off. And so it went right through it, and I'm super shocked about that. Now I did have that Mr. Clean or the eraser cleaner to help me pile through the scaling or the scum, whatever you want to call it. So there's that, but I always use that to clean, tough places. Do I think that this could be like a deep cleaner? I don't know, because there are some spots that I had to scrub a little bit harder with this versus using like a commercial cleaner. So maybe I need to put more distilled soap in it. I don't know. The disinfectant, I love that, period. Like I said, I've been using that for this is going on the second week before it was even ready to go. I just love it. Like I'm just cleaning off or spraying down the lights or whatever, the stuff that we touch a lot. So yeah, I love that. Will I continue to use it? Yes, I don't know that I will continue to use it like on deep cleaning unless I figure out the ratio with adding some more distilled soap to it. Also, I want to say the con for me is the smell of the vinegar. So the next time that I make a batch, I will boil the vinegar because it is smelling pretty vinegary in here. But from when I cleaned the utility closet, it ended up the scent going away. So hopefully that's the same for in here. But I did use a lot more in here than I did in that closet. So I'm just going to disinfect the light switches and knobs and stuff that we touch. And I'm pretty much done in here. All right, the bathroom is all clean. Just want to show you what it's looking like. Hey, you see me? Tub is clean. No more ring around the tub. No more ring around the rosy. Look at that shower door. I'm so impressed by that shower door, okay? And then I ended up taking the winter, I call them the winter robes out of here and just leaving those too. And I didn't show you much in the toilet room because it's a toilet room, But I did clean it, okay? I cleaned it. Yeah. So she looks good. Hopefully she starts smelling good. I put my diffuser on. I am using, let's see, sea moss and sage in the bathroom. Yeah. Bow.